What is going on, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Hope you guys doing well, swell, and everything else. We are back live, about to run out some more Satisfying Saturday Saturday. Excuse me, a lot of going on. But with that being said, I now have the I don't know what it's called for the mod loader. Now I can pull this up a lot easier instead of searching and having to reinstall it because I don't remember where it's at, which is totally a me thing. That's definitely a me thing, 100%. I forgot to put up on Facebook pooled as well. Let's get that going, and we'll get this plugged in. And we don't need Steam for anything. Why did Steam pull up? Actually, I kind of don't know why Steam pulled up. Don't need that. The game itself should be booting. That's a good beer. Ah, I see Satisfactory. It's doing things. There we go. Stuff's happening. I don't hear anything yet, though. There we go. Now I hear things. Oh, music. Yeah. I forgot that was a thing. Alright, so our goal today is to get coal working. I do want to get the coal power plant up and running. And I should hopefully get some more things than that. That shouldn't be the only thing I'm working on. I like this elevator. I might put an elevator to get me down to that level of coal. Yeah, I actually might do that. Ooh, if I put my coal in the middle of the water. Hold on. I have an idea. I have an idea. All right, it's kind of wild, but it's an idea. So we're gonna see how well it works. Ooh, I have an idea. I'm gonna redo the whole coal. I'm glad I didn't start it yet, because yeah, it's not gonna fit my idea if I start it. So I have to delete the 12, put down. Oh yeah, I did kind of start, didn't I? That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We're gonna need a shit ton more copper sheets, plates as well. Reinforced plates. I don't know if we have the inventory for everything we're gonna need. And oh, we got reinforced plates in here. I guess we should have enough rotors. Take those. Copper sheets are gonna be. What was over there? Those are what's the names? Down there. Limestone. Concrete's over there. Let's get some concrete too. Copper sheets first. Up here is gonna be copper. Let's grab the copper first. We're gonna grab the copper. I have an idea for the coal, or the coal plant. As I was doing the intro and explaining what the goals and objective is tonight, it gave me an idea. And I personally like my idea. I think it might be a good one. We will definitely need some more copper though. It's over here. That's not gonna be enough. How are your production? 27%. Why is this going so slow? Missing something here? You're backed up properly. Okay. Because you're pushing out 60. You're taking 30. Oh, you're only pushing out 60. You're taking 30. You're all taking 30. That's why. You're in normal mode. Ah. I really have room for 2 of these, not 4. That's why my production is so slow. Okay, that kind of makes sense. Can't underclock anything. 30 and 30, 30, 30. These two are both doubling up. Take 60. Okay. I need more copper. I need to duplicate this whole entire setup again a couple more times. I could make this a lot more efficient, actually. Looking at it now, I could make this more efficient. At least I could have even a better distribution of material coming out of it. Right now we got a bunch of wire or cable coming out. I think when I initially set it up, that was my goal, to maximize my cable output. Oh, excuse me. Well, that's gonna have to work for now. Yeah, that's just gonna have to work for now. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4. This needs to be from 60 to 120 to feed all 3 of these. Or all 4 of these. I gotta upgrade the belt, do all this other stuff. So as of right now, they're all just getting 15, roughly. But it's not an even 15. It's an approximate 15. Alright. Go redo this coal before we run out of fuel. Just right now we have a good bit for now. Okay, so we have a good bit for now. Let's just hope it stays that way. Alright. I'm not gonna get the elevator thing going when I get it. I'm not too pressed on it. I definitely want to get the power up first. Oh, this is far. I keep forgetting how far it is. Alright, so I make it right. I could have that way. Damn it. Try to slide cancel. Can't do it uphill. If I do it right, I can have a ledge here with an elevator. The elevator will go down to a platform that is hanging right here, like a big platform, just like that. That's what I want. I forgot to pick up concrete. I have 1,500 concrete. I would like to assume that I should have enough. Fuck, what's the size of that? 6 by? More than 6. Good thing you can't drown in this game. Doesn't make this high enough to wipe the water things underneath it. Foundations. Can I put it directly on water? No, I got it floating. Okay. Wait. Oh, that's the same thing as that one. Okay. Let's do that like that. And let's take a water extractor. Let's throw it on there first, so I can see the sizing I need. So I want this lined up with the center of this, I think. Does that work? It should work. Good, it cannot be nudged. Oh, I remember now. Oh yeah. I think that's right. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay. Throw that there.
That may indeed be water. Try submerging your arm. If it does not dissolve, that will narrow down the range of possibilities. Or you could just pipe it to a coal-powered generator and see what happens.
That's the plan. Not high enough though. Can't tell. I need to go higher. I don't think there is a higher. Yeah, that's not enough. Gotta be higher. Well, I can do it this way. Yeah. Keep fucking jumping it. Maybe. Oh, damn it. Get rid of Zoop. I'm gonna delete all these. By the way, if anybody's curious. That wasn't high enough. How high do I need it? Higher than this. Still going up. One more. That should be good. Okay. That was fun. Yeah, that's fine. That's perfect. It works. Right there. Just like... Oh, yeah. That. I'll do 15 by 15. Just to get the questions. 10 by 10 should be good, right? No, it could only be 5. Well, if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So yeah, let's do 10 by 10. Let's do as large as I can go for now. Okay. Let's bring it out this way more. Another 10 by 10? 10 by 6, that should be good. That should be good for now. Delete all of them. Maximum distance limit. Oh, I can't go that far. Okay, so now I'm gonna need a way up. So let's put a ramp here. Going back this way. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5. So this is middle. This is the middle. Alright, this is my ramp's gonna be. Where's the ladder at? On the other side, isn't it? It is on the other side. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. that all of them? Nope. I think that's all of them though. I think. Alright, there we go. What the fuck? Okay. Grab this. And delete all of this. Here's some of my mats back. Nope, not you. I want you. Huh? Clipping. Oh, I see it now. I see where it's clipping. Where is the appropriate level? I think this is it. World grid my ass. Because I ain't not leveled. Fuck ass. Alright. Damn it, limestone. Would ruin my build. Damn, I'm about to say, shit. Just go up to here too. And then boom. Now I can start placing our actual build down. We can delete all this shit too. Because we don't need it. I don't think there's anything on the rest. I want to go look, but I don't want to go look. Alright. This is where our plant's gonna be. Alright. Power production. Nope, I lied. Power. I had it right the first time. Alright. Right off the lip. No, I'm gonna give it some breathing room. We're gonna put it here. And right there. While the opposite is gonna be over right here. Right there. I think the sizing matches up. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there we go. Now we got the water back here. We can add more as we go. Oh yeah, this is gonna be perfect. Because we're gonna put a truck depot down there to export the coal up here. Because this down here could just be a depot to transfer coal. I have the whole area filled up. Yeah, this could definitely work. We could actually make a road for coal. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me, I'm just brainstorming, having ideas here. All right, it's coming together. Slowly but surely. Pipelines. Let's throw these out here. We'll put them in the middle. I've just thought about. I'm gonna end up building on this quite a bit, like I did every other time I play. Right here. the last one? I think this is the last one. No, I got one more. That was it. Boom. Okay. The water can come from this way. Feed in this way. Alright. Oh, dumbass. I could connect these. Nope. Let's redo that one. We go. I could actually add 2 more buffers here, but instead I'm gonna do this is we're gonna add a ramp here, here. That should put us directly over the top. That should be perfect. That should be good. That should be far enough. It's not far enough. Okay. Now, what we can do is we should be able to throw a conveyor. We don't have conveyor holes. Damn it. Ah, doing this in the middle. I need 2 half slabs to make what I want. Because it fuck ass. Oh, okay. I thought I was stuck forever. I was so sure. I thought I was never getting out of there alive. Yeah, cause I need this half cleared and then this half cleared so I can put the what's the name to go up right here because we don't have holes. But in the meantime, we're gonna do some clipping. What? Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna clip a bit. It's fine. Clipping's never hurt anybody. Why is that one blue, but everything else is yellow? Wonder why. There we go. We're gonna have 2 lines of coal coming in. It's gonna be split down there. It's gonna come down. So here we're gonna have our splitters. What is the feed rate on these things? I don't remember. Ah, fuck. I forgot the rate for the coal in this thing. Shit. Maybe I can find out. Doesn't. That clock speed shows down fuel requirements. What are the fuel requirements for a coal power generator? I don't remember. Is it 30 a minute? No, it can't be 30 a minute. It could be. I gotta look this up because I don't know how many belts I need for this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look this one up. Russ, Factorial, Satisfactory. 15 coal per minute. Okay. Ooh. So normal node powers 4. I'm gonna have to overclock. Yeah. Shit. I don't have compacted coal yet, which cuts that in half. Hmm. Hmm. Damn it, damn it. Pink egg, corn, honey. $60 runs 4, normal. I have 12. Oh, I gotta find 3 normals. 3 normals. I'm gonna run 2, 2, and 2. That's how we're gonna do it. Wait. If I run 3 belts up here. Okay. This is about to get crazy. Alright. As they say, let them cook. Alright, so we got 1. Not enough room. It. Okay, hold on. Maybe we'll drop down here. Squish it. Damn it, no. There's a way to squish them. Gotta start from the bottom, maybe? No. Damn it. I do need that half. Fuck. Ah, shit. Got 3. Got 3 lines coming in. Oh. Splitters are way too big. Okay. For now. For now, they're too big. That's more like it. That's more like it. Okay. So we just got to do that. So that missed. Okay, hold on. What did I do here? What did I do here? I make it back more. Back like here. And here? I think so. Okay, that should work. Nope, so close. I think that's gonna be too far. Yep. I'm gonna figure this out. Right here? That's gotta be it, right? Look, that's gotta be it. There we go, finally. Shit. Oh, goodness. That was a pain in the ass. Alright, let's do it again over and over. I just line it up right here. Wait a minute. Does that work? It should. You're lined up with something. It clips. Just like this. But those ones didn't click into place. So, how we're gonna have to do these? I just got the first two. Okay. Go. Okay. This side then. I'm gonna need. I need some blade runners. Go. Oh boy. Alright, there we go. Alright, cool. Alright, so from here, we can get 60 a minute. Yeah, that should work for now. One, two. Yeah, okay. Okay, then you're going the wrong way. Of course you are. There's everything else going the right way except you. Why? Okay. So from here, we're gonna grab these. Isn't it straight? It is straight enough. Okay. So this one is going to split. So I can delete these splitters. I want to split evenly. But I could just put a splitter here. I mean, that would essentially be it. Damn it. Okay. That should cover that. And that should be it. Okay. Now we need 3 normal nodes of coal to all be delivered here. And let's get the power set up. Exact, from here to here. And we got the power set up. And we're good. They're all coming from down here, and this is crooked. I don't like it. Don't be crooked. Do better. How does this straight look anyway? A lot steeper than I would like for it to be. Default works for now. It's not too bad. Yeah, that doesn't look too crazy. Okay. I forgot we don't have floor holes. What's happening? Are they dying? Didn't say. That's new. There we go. So far, we're still good on materials as far as our builds. We just need 2 more miners. I would say I'm glad I've grabbed 4 portable miners. Apparently, I only have 2 left. Oh, I did build 2 of them. Yeah, I put 2 right next to each other. I'm pretty sure I put 2 right next to each other, so that's almost perfect. And there should be one somewhere over here. I think this is a normal one over here too. Because right now, we're just belted up. We don't need expensive belts, we use regulars, and that should work perfectly. And that should work fine. We'll just get it operational first, because this one under the rock is a pure, but this big ass rock in the way, so I can't get anything out of it. Oh, it's normal. I thought it was pure. Oh, okay. I'm not sure why I thought that was normal. Or pure, I mean. Okay, that works. That works too. You need to go this way. You all just work together. You team up with those 2. With that being said, we're gonna throw a power pole right here. One right there. Belting. It's gonna be sloppy. I'll make it less sloppy. It's gonna be hard, but I feel like I can. Make it a lot less sloppy as I can. You can go this way. Okay. Now you guys, your belts are going to come this way too. There's a lot of belts. You guys are already merged. You are 60 into 120. Okay, I do have a 120 belt, so I could take my 120 belt, send it all the way down, and have it split at the end. Because that's 60. That actually could work. That could work. Okay. Just keep this belt going, just to maximize space. The quickest route there, though. Is it the right side or the left side? How I have it set up, I don't think it matters. Left side. Then we always end up building this damn thing. Sorry, trucks. gotta get 2 built. Unfortunately. Okay, so we got 2 belts coming in, going down here. So your next location or goal is gonna be down here. You come here. Where you can be split into and then we'll go from there. Alright. The splitter in place. Nah, I'll remember. I will remember, actually. This is gonna be a hard splitter to forget. So you're coming from this side. Huh. Default. We're just gonna default it. We're gonna need a lot more plates. We're gonna need more plates. You're not supposed to curve. You're supposed to be default. The fuck? Ah, you're clipping a bit, aren't you? Ah, not close enough for me to really be concerned. Right there is ugly. That's a clip. Okay, so you're there. Do you have enough to reach here? You do. You have enough to reach here. You don't. Okay. I need more plates, which means I need more iron. I have to go and build more iron. I need a lot more plates, which means I'll need a lot more iron. Okay, so before we get the iron for the plates, let's get the water extractor set up. I'll build a nice little spot underwater for it. Be over here. Now getting back up, didn't think about that. But bridges, you know? Got 1, but 3 feeds 8, so 4 should feed 12. Cause science. 2. We got 300 each. That's 260. The pipes hold 300. Max flow rate 600. Ooh. How much water do I need? 45, I believe. 1 pipe might hold. I'm gonna split it as 2. Fuck it. There's no need to overcomplicate things. I might need 6 water structures though, so that kind of sucks on that end. It wouldn't center it though. I have enough for 1 more or 2 more. Looks like I have enough for at least 1 more. There we go. Alright. We don't have ground holes. We are going to clip through the ground. Boy. Ugh, fuck it. Okay. Or we could take them that way and go up the mountain. Oh, okay, we could go up that way. That wouldn't hurt. Yeah, that wouldn't hurt. It'd be weird, kinda, but... Valid aim location, I gotta get up there. I'll put this up there. Okay. Or... Damn it. Okay. Okay, there we go. That's better. Let's put one of these. That should be centered. Yeah, it looks centered. You're gonna be... And then grab a pipeline. Horizontal and vertical. That should be good. Yeah, that should be good. Head lift. More than enough. More than enough. Okay. Junction's gonna be here. And this is how we're gonna do it. This one, let's just get a pipe straight up. Straight pipe. Nope, don't like it. Curve, straight. E. There we go. Oh, damn it. Of course, it's closer. Why wouldn't it be? Why would it not be? Why would it be even? You know? That is, of course, asking for too much. That's straight. I didn't even check. It is. Okay. We're out of copper sheets. Fuck. We need a lot more pipes, too. Jeez. Okay, okay. That's fine. That's fine. We know what we need. We need copper sheets and belt and stuff. Belt mats. But we're almost there. Actually. Can I make it up there? I don't want to keep going all the way around. Shit's far. There we go. Faster route. Oh, damn it. There's a hill there. Go faster. Not going fast enough. You go faster. Damn it. Something for momentum. Nope, you're not it. Nope, you're not. Oh, you are it. Where are my plates at? You're red. Why are you red? All of you are red. What's going on? I never reconnected the power. Fuck. I've been burning the fuck out of this shit. Never reconnected it. Jeez. Way to go, Acorn. Literally just burning itself. Alright. Never reconnected the grid at all. Fuck. That means I wasn't making anything this entire time. I feel like an idiot. Damn. Now we gotta wait forever. Surprised the thing isn't fully backed up the way I was doing it. So hurt. Okay. I need copper plates. I need these. Excuse me. Make these many. Yes, I did definitely say these many. I gotta figure out what to do about the copper. I could just take copper wire and turn them into sheets, right? Or is it ingots to sheets? I think it's ingots to sheets. I can just take a bunch of ingots then. And I have more wire than ingots at this point. The sheets are being made down here. Yeah, you're going straight to ingots. Yeah, not the ingots. Oh, we have plenty of sheets though. Sweet. Might as well buy that list. Oh. Oh shit, we done burnt out all our fucking mats. Dumb ass. Wow, Acorn, way to fucking go, bro. Literally wasted all that. All that grind from mats I had yesterday. Just wasted. Shit. But we're gonna need a fuck ton more reinforced plates. Well. Let's just keep building and see what we get. Because we don't have a whole lot of power left. See how far our power can get. Like if we can get one online, we should be good. Or by one, I mean 4. 1 belt's worth online, we should. They use how much each? Was it 15? I think they use 15 each. So 4 belts at 60 is perfect. And they're all normal nodes. They're all going to put out 60. So yeah, no math is mathing. Just break even. Almost perfectly even, actually. Hey, doggo. I mean, that hurt a little bit. I'll be alright. These are all hooked up. All but this. Yeet. Yeet. Let's get the power going. It's about here. about here? No, here. Yeah, I don't know where the fuck that was going just now. Not where it's supposed to go now. Boom. Alright, so we got that set up. Let's get the water pumping. I should have a power line up here somewhere. Let's act surprised. Or, oh fuck ass. We're gonna have to turn some shit off. Alright. Yeah, let's go turn some shit off. I guess the conveyor belts wouldn't hurt. Because we gotta hook up those three too. I actually didn't think this was gonna be too much. Honestly. I know we didn't run out. Well, we ran out of capacity. Our capacity is oh, fuck. What are we turning off? Shit. Up our capacity some. Because once we get these spooled, at some point we gotta power all of these bitches. That's gonna be fun. We're gonna get them fully pressurized first. Before anything. Before we can turn them on. We're gonna get a system working on its own with these. Yeah, let's go build some more. They each put out, I don't know, like some number worth. I guess I can collect leaves while I'm there. Because I'm going to desperately need the leaves. That's why I should clear my inventory. For room for leaves. Well, excuse me, we're here now. Damn it. Get all the leaves we can get. Ah, shit. I missed some. Let's keep gathering our way back. Because if we're gonna build probably 4 more. If our belt can even handle that many more. It moves 60. We got the pellets now, so we should be good. They're not called pellets. They just look like pellets to me. I refer to them as pellets. At least I know what I'm talking about. But we have those, so we should be good. As far as the belts wise. I think the pellets use half as much as the solid biomass. Or it is solid biomass. I meant the leaves and shit. What leaves I got so far? I guess I'll max out my inventory. I'm gonna need to. Alright, so we got a good bit of leaves. I could carry a lot more leaves than I thought I could. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, there we go. That's it. Let's head back. Okay, maybe not. Is it gonna be white? No. What was that one white? because it's smaller. Nope. Oh, yes. It is because it was smaller. Ah. Got it. Okay. Let's load up. I'm gonna build a couple more. 4 more, maybe. What am I doing here? Shit. Nowhere near as many leads as I would like to have. Can't put biomass in there, but we put sticks, wood. Okay. Already upgraded the belts. It should be good on that front. They're still cooking. Yeah, no, they're still cooking. I don't know how when the grid shut down. Oh, you're not burning anything now. Okay, that's fine. That's weird. Thought I saw my cat. He's in trouble. He's fucking sprayed the floor of my game room. Yeah. We gotta get him neutered. I don't want to, but I don't know if I have any. Realistically, I have too many options. Oh, line up. Close enough. Sure, we'll curve it. Why not? Power-wise. We gotta turn this bitch on. I think that's the problem with the fact that I've actually made everything quite productive. Is that the numbers I see is the numbers I actually see. There's like nothing else to it. When my shit gets full, the shit's full. Okay, now let's temporarily delete this. Let's bring the grid online. We'll run power through. At least it's our capacity jumps. Realistically, all that is fucking fielding these two. Or at least 3. I'm starting to wonder if I'm pushing out too slow. He's gonna reach all the way down there. Which so far they're reaching, so that's good. It's always a good sign. Got 1 green so far, which means our capacity should have went up. 330. For a minute, push out waypoint in 4. So glad it burns slower. That might be too slow though. Yeah, it might be going. No, some of them they're gonna stack up. Yeah, they're already stacking up. They're already backing up over here. No, that's good. That's actually what we need. That one's backing up. This one's starting to back up. Okay. There's more gonna go through. That's perfect. Perfect. They're backing up. Good. Whew, I got scared. So we should be able to reconnect our supply. We need more. Fuck. 420 is gonna be our max. It's not gonna be enough though. 454. Is that enough? On average, it should be. That should be enough to at least pump water. Keep an eye on this for a little bit. So not everything's running at peak. Although I do want to try to work on making sure everything's running as close to peak as I can. We are burning a lot faster now, though, because we're using a lot more power. All these each got 200 in them, so we got plenty of biomass, solid biofuel. Fuck ass. What is this? Biomass. Okay. Alien biomass make 100. We'll cross that bridge. Till then, we need copper sheets. Let's get some copper sheets. See how many we have. Do we need copper sheets? No, we need conveyor stuff. But we've got the copper wired up. How much you got? A decent bit. Okay. Is it a 1-to-1? No. It's a 10 to 5. Ew. Ew. So half of this. We're only getting half. Ugh. That's an unfortunate number. 10 to 5, we got 5 going in. 8 to make 4. Damn, that dumb down is serious. Alright, let's see what we got for this stuff. More than enough, okay. 18, okay. Our water could be held up now. Yeah, we're not reaching our 420, which is good. As long as we're not hitting our 420, we should be okay. Relatively speaking. Should be. We'll learn soon enough. Let's hope the water pipes are full, or the piping is full. As of right now, we should be able to produce enough. Everything holding at 200 in there. Most of them. We'll see. We shall see. I think I'm producing just enough biomass to keep it fed, not to overfill it, which is not what we need. Overfill it. I think the rate at which the biomass is solid biofuel feeding out, I think it's too slow for that many generators. That just means I have to move quick. Get those conveyors online. This might hurt a little bit. But, fuck. That was a hard hit. Okay. Curve? I don't want you to curve. We're gonna go as far as you can this way. Okay, looks like that's about it. Why are you curved? What's your deal? There we go. That was crooked as fuck. Yeah. We want to go straight. Or as straight as we can make it. Okay, so we got plenty left. Okay, so now we get our splitter. Which is going to be... Fuck it. There we go. It's ugly, but it works. Alright. And you're gonna have to be a 2. You're gonna be an upgraded belt. Or you did not be an upgraded belt. Okay, ass. Alright, curve it is. Why is it curving that way? I think all the belts are done. Now connect these to power and we should be good. Did it stretch so far? Alright, watch the power. $390, which means we're losing. One of the generators fell offline. Yeah, one of our generators fell offline. We should have enough water now. We should actively be generating coal. I see green over there. I don't see a color over there though. That guy should be online. I see one of those is green. I see green. I see 2 green. Those are good. I see coal coming in. Coal's on its way. What are you doing? You green? Or is it on the other side of your fucking building? Because I can't see it. It is on the other side. But they got coal coming in. Good. Okay. We got coal coming in. Perfect. Alright. Check our water pressure. Make sure it's maxed out. And from there, we can connect the whole system once the coal gets in. They're yellow, which means they could be full. They are full of water. Nice. Alright, so now we gotta wait for all this coal to get here. Once all the coal get here, we can turn the machine on. And then if we're out of power, we're out of power. Because this system should kickstart and run the entire operation. Whew. I'm excited. It's gonna work. I feel it in my teeth. And then, yeah. Where's the coal at? It'll be coming close. This one's here, which means that one should be halfway through. It'll show up eventually. Is that 120? Really? Something's slowing us down. Because that's more compact. Something's slowing us down. Ah, damn it. One of the belts isn't a 120 belt. It's a 60 belt. Is this how packed it should be? What should be more packed than this? Okay, it should be packed like this. Something's slowing us down. Let's Find out what it is. Ah, we're off the line. Duh. There we go. That's better. Yeah, because you see this gap right there? Should be no gap. It should be like this. No gap. This gap? No gap. Gap, no gap. Like these guys, no gap. They're going half the speed, but... yeah. And because we're going half the speed, that gap takes up for 1, so these two are going at the same exact speed. Which is an oversight on my part, because now this one's going twice as fast, so all 3 of them should be getting fed at the same time. Because with this one going, with that bottleneck, that means 2/3 of my machines are going half the speed they're supposed to be. Only one of my machines are going the speed they're supposed to be going. But the important thing, we got coal getting delivered. 3 normal nodes, powering 12 coal generators. Where we are currently, we need about 8. No, we could get away with 6, honestly. Ah, they're generating power already. Bet. Let's look them up. We got power. We're green. Where we at now? What's our max capacity? 512, 530, 435. Let's go. Ah, there we go. That's that boost I needed. That's that boost I've been looking for. We got our coal set up. Let's go. And it only took us let's get rid of that so we can see stuff. It only took us 1 hour and 18 minutes. Not bad. Not bad at all. Here's we're fluctuating. It's still building up, so we're gonna get there. Fluctuation is normal right now. Everything's smooth and even. It's just working on it. These are all fully chalked. They're all feeding 4 structures. No, you're not even feeding this 4 yet. You're still on the way. All right. Wait. Oh, you started off choppy. That's why. Okay. So, you're not even fucking full yet. Let's not see get here. No break. No gap. Gaps, because that's that oversight. That's a bottleneck. That's why it's fluctuating. Or then no gap. 3 lines. 60 coal. 4 structures. Taking 15 each. They got loud noise warning. 15 apiece. Yes, so that is even. We are evenly fed throughout. I like my little get up. Waters are flowing great. Yes. Water's flowing great and even. Everything looks green. I think I just saw red. But it's gonna take a minute for them to get full. They should be running at 100%. Those 2 are red. These guys are yellow for now. Yeah, they're on and off right now. But ultimately, we should overall be producing a lot more power. Yep. I do expect them to be on and off for a while, at least all the coal balances out in all the machines. And there's my coal power plant, producing way more power than I need. I think each one puts out 45, so we got 540. Ooh, that's not enough. That's not gonna be enough. 75. Ah, that's what it was. 936. Okay. What the fuck just happened? 900. Shit. So I was gonna say 36. That's a very odd number. That doesn't sound right. 900 is good for now, especially since our max consumption is what, like 435, 450, 4 something is our consumption rate. So that works. Yep, that works. And then we got room for growth. Because, yeah, these are all taking 3, which can cover 8. So I gotta add 2 more on each side. The coal could be an issue. We could double up the belt speed all around. 120s all the way down. But by that point, hopefully we're already got trucks going. So, power is good for now. That being said, vehicular transport, which is our next objective. Let's get that going. We gotta get modular frames automated. What do we need for that? I know we need... I think we just need rods and screws. Yeah, I think we just need rods and screws for that. It's like a decent spot for it. Go over here. We got the local fauna. Here, you're dead. You cry. Ooh, a cave. Nope, don't want to do that. One of these please be pure. Impure. Impure. Nope, I don't want to do it here. Not for heavy, not for mod frames. Fuck no. That's just gonna stress me out. 2 nodes pushing 30 each? Yeah. That's better stop being just a screw factory. Ain't nothing I can do with that. Find another suitable spot. Why am I going up? Because I need to be there. Oh, how do I always end up here? Alright. Heavy mod or mod frames. I don't know where do I want to put it. Gotta find iron. Let's hopefully find some pure nodes. Impure. Just check those ones up there. Impure, 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 impure. Okay. Fuck. What do I need for mod frames? Everything else should be automated already, so I'm not worried about everything else right now. Copper will be a concern in the future. Very, very near future. Reinforced plates, so plates, screws, rods. The trifecta, basically. So, base plates, 12 screws, 1, okay. Well, I could potentially make it on 2 impure nodes, just for a mod frame. I mean, I could. I, for very obvious reasons, prefer not to, but it's not something that can't be done. I'm marking again. Where's it at? Gotta be these 2. These gotta be the one I marked. This is not far from my copper. That kind of works out, actually. Let me get some miners. Jeez, I don't want to fucking build this. Build on these things. Ah, it's convenience for now. I gotta start working on this ma'am though. Definitely gotta start working on this ma'am. Alien DNA, capsules. Definitely need to start working on these inventory slots. Fuck yes, I gotta start working on the inventory slots. And eventually I'll start working on Sam so I can get these, what's the names, going. So I can do something with the Mercer spheres. Because until I do my Sam research, I can't do anything with Mercer spheres. And Caterium is the same. Bridges, I guess, was cross them as they come along. Mycelium. That's for nutrients. I don't know, remember those this is for. Yeah, I don't remember. Power slugs, we'll get there. This one will give you a power shard. We'll get there. Quartz, I do want blade runners though. We gotta find more quartz. Wait, can we scan quartz? I think we can. Yeah, we can scan quartz. We'll find those. We'll get that eventually. 8% researched. Oh. Need 10 candy canes. Need 30 reefs. Need a tree. Which also takes 20 candy canes. Candy cane basher. Oh. Twenty zoops versus 15. You can zoop bigger. Bigger zoop. Next one's 25 or 30? 30 zoop. Okay. What are these two? Unknown chemical element. I don't know what the hell that is. And we don't have the grappling hook yet. We'll probably, possibly, maybe get that eventually. Alright, so what we need. We're gonna need foundations pieces, which is concrete and metal plates. Screws, plates, rods. I turned one of them into, I don't know what to do. These three right here would be perfect. Fuck that up. Good on that. Don't need rods, don't need screws. Reinforced plates would be nice. Take all that we got. We're gonna need more. We're gonna up our production of reinforced plates. We don't have nowhere near enough coming out right now. We gotta check our machine, make sure we're running at capacity. Just concrete, some concrete. Okay, that's why we check our machines. We're not at capacity. Look at these. Back the fuck up. 100. What are you doing? Back the fuck up. Taking 15, you push out 15. What's your problem? You push out 30. We can double this up. Same over here too, huh? Oh, these plates. What? Oh, because you're just making screws. So what's your issue? What are you waiting on? You're not actively cooking. What are you waiting on? Plates. Plates or screws? What do you need? Looks like you need both. 67 capacity. So plates are your issue. Alright, so what's your problem? 30, putting out 20. Oh, this is 10 loss. This is 10 ingot loss. You're putting out 30. You're taking in 30. Why are we backing up then? We're backing up because you're backing up. I guess as far as plates are concerned, like, or reinforced plates, for now, this is about as optimized. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. We'll just put it that way. Not too bad. Where'd marker go? Did I not place the marker? New marker. But why is it not showing? I'm looking the wrong way. Now I'm looking at it that way. Why is it not showing on my top thingy? I did something wrong? Probably. I probably fucked something up. Either way, it's over here. Oh, Mercer Sphere. Oh, they're right here. Two nice, simple, lovely, impure nodes of iron. That's what I love to see. Lovely stuff. Alright, let's get this foundation going. Let's start in the back. Don't need to clip all the way through the rocks. Put you here. And then set you here. That should be good. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, production. Let's get some miners in this place. One there, one there. Okay. Don't need you. We need mats. Let's not waste them. Okay. And they're gonna feed out this way. Because why not? Okay. So we need melters. You guys are pushing out 30, right? Unfortunately. Yeah, you are. So we got 60 total each. So one smelter should be enough to handle both of them. Where are you at? You're right here. Too close. You're gonna go fucking stupid if I do that. Let's... Oh wait. Maybe I could up against it? No. You're going... I figured you'd go stupid. Bump you up this far. This far. Nope, merger is what I'm looking for. Got it right the first time. At least so I could get overclocked figured out. I say figured out like it's confusing. Like at least so I can get unlocked. Alright, cause you taking 30. Wait, you taking 30? Bullshit. Oh. Well, fuck me. Don't need this. Don't need this craziness. There we go. 30-30. Alright. Alright. And these are for heavy modular frames. I keep thinking heavy. It's not heavy. Okay. Alright, so our belts take 60. So what we can do is we need our ingots to turn into what's in the ingots? Constructors. We are going to need 3 of them. Put one here, here, here. And we could do screws, rods, and plates. You can't be screws, you gotta be rods. To make screws. You taking 15. You taking 15. You taking 30. So plates could be a straight fucking shot. Boom. 15, 15, that's 30. What we can do is logistics, a splitter. Just like that. You can go here. You can go here. Then you can go here. That'll be even. go. And then you got to turn into screws at some point. You're taking rods. Okay, so here's the thing. So we put out 15 rods a minute, but we only use 10. So we're sacrificing 5 rods a minute. I don't know what that means. Until we start overclocking and double stacking machines, we're gonna be wasting 5 rods a minute, which is, I guess, it is what it is. I could set up a sink and just sink 5 of them a minute, which wouldn't be the worst idea ever. I've had worse ideas. But with that being said, we also need an assembler. Because this is where we're going to make our modular frame. Right. We'll need screws. We need reinforced plates. That's how we need screws. Which, either way, we do need an assembler. Make those reinforced plates. You don't want to line up with this one? Alright, so you are going to be reinforced plates. Screws and plates. Not rods. Screws and plates. Alright. Numbers. 30 plates. 60 screws. So we go with the 30 plates. We're not good on 60 screws. We're making 40 a minute. Then we still got 15 rods coming out. 20 rods coming out if we split this. Because this is going to overflow 5. We got 20 rods coming out a minute, which we need 12. So that's more than enough. Okay, so 15 is enough. And with this setup, we should be able to make 2 modular frames a minute off of 2 impure nodes. Not too bad. That's 1 a minute on each node. That's not too bad. It's just it just sucks. It just absolutely fucking sucks. Those are stupid numbers. And yeah, I would like to reorder this. Yeah, I'll put this here instead. Put it there instead. Turn you into screws. I can then put my assembler here. Great. Okay, great. You're gonna make plates. You're getting screws and plates. Okay. Whereas you are gonna now go to here. We place another one right here. Ish. That should work. For you, feed you, and you. Oh, you gotta go forward more. You can feed you. You can feed you. Then you can make these things. Are all my belts set up? I believe so. Now, let's get some power going to this fuck show. Eat. All right, let's power it up. Power. Everything's yellow, everything's juiced up. We begin the mining process. Look at it. Look at it. We're mining into the ground. We're digging deep. Well, I think it actually goes underground. That's cool. Get the fuel rod. Oh, not a fuel rod. That's just for digging. How often do they swap out? Did they actually consume them? Oh, these kind of come out the ether. I like to hope they actually get you consumed. Watch it. It gets consumed. Nope. Oh, it just pushes in faces. Okay, okay, that works. That works. So everything should be working smoothly, evenly, and very mostly calculated up until this point. With extra emphasis on mostly. So with this being set up, we can add... Oh. One of these here. We will connect there. We got rods coming in. Not a bad flow of rods, actually. Now that I'm looking at it, the rod flow isn't bad. It's 15 a minute, so we should have extra rods coming in. Plates, however, we need 3 a minute, and they should be pushing out 5. No, screws are backing up. Because we're only pushing out 40 screws and not 60, that's why I remember now. Fuck. So we're 20 screws short. So just about every run we're gonna be 18 shy. I said 18, I meant 8. We're about 8 shy. Roughly. On average. Damn. Damn. So you're gonna be about 70 or 60% efficiency? Between 60 and 70% efficiency overall. We're gonna be. Everything else should be capped at 100. But you're just gonna drop. And there's not a whole lot I can do about that. Until I can overclock my screw production to push out 60. Which I think I need 3 slugs for that. Which I gotta research overclock first before we can even begin talking about that. Damn. Hey, once I get some good alternate recipes too, that'll also obviously help. But everything else should be flowing smooth. Anything going to back up? Rods are going to back up here. Which means that's going to back up. That's going to back up. Yeah, it's going to back. This whole thing is going to get clogged and back up eventually. Now everything's running at peak efficiency. Which, cost of doing business, I guess. Anything yet? We got 2 so far. Let's go. We already got 2. That's not bad. This guy should be running at 100% though. For sure. No, he's not going to run at 100% because we're not going to be pushing out 3 rods. We might be able to push out 3 rods a minute, actually. I think this guy can stay at 100. Rods are backing up, good. Plates, we need 1 more plate coming in before this thing continues constructing. Come on, 1 more plate. 1 more plate. There we go. Alright, so we should be good. And if we get 1 more, we could back it up. We're not getting 1 more, but that's fine. 6 is perfect. Yep, that's perfect. That's what we need. That is what we need. Okay. Alright, so let this run and idle. We need 25 of them. So far we got 4. Everything else is fully automated, so we should be able to get vehicles relatively quickly. Kinda. I'm not really concerned about looking at phase 2 yet. You know, bridges. And that whole jazz. I could delete these, but they're still producing juice right now. I'm gonna hold off on that. Steel production. 50,000. This is easy in work right now as we speak. Steel production will definitely come in handy because I'm pretty sure you can use steel to make a fuck ton of screws. I think steel beam is the recipe to make a fuck ton of screws. Although we do want to try to find alternate recipes that get away from screws, which is one of the big objectives that we definitely need to aim for. Elevator. Can we do this right now? We can. Let's get an elevator. I've never built an elevator, so this is gonna be interesting. Huh? Okay. Logistics, maybe? What the transport? Ah. $100 meters, 5 floors. Oh. What's the difference between sleep mode and idle? I don't know what that means. Let's build an elevator for our oil. Also grab another, what's the name? Sink. We're going to the awesome shop. Can we complete this? No. Not yet. We need rods. We need 200 rods. We probably can complete this actually. Yeah, I think we have more than 200 rods in here. So we get a awesome shop.
Milestone reached. You have been given access to the anti-waste effort for stress testing of materials on Exoplanet's bonus program, also known as Awesome. Your awesome input allows Fixit to comprehend our amazing universe more clearly. In appreciation of this, we have generously set up an internal, closed economy with exclusive rewards in currency. Directing parts of varying quantity and complexity into the Awesome Resource Sink will grant Fixit coupons. These coupons can be redeemed in the Awesome Shop for highly desirable items such as new foundations, walls, factory attachments, cosmetics, parts, and more. Next time you have additional resources, just remember to go that extra kilometer. Go awesome.
Let's see. Carbon steel, ma'am. Steel production, the hub. Damn. Asphalt foundation? Half foundation set. That's what I need. That's what I need in my life. Yeah. Walls. Conveyor walls. I need that. Architecture? Don't recall this one. This must be a mod. No, it's not. Coffee cup parts. I love that you could buy parts. That's just so lovely. Alright, let's get this elevator built. What do I need for the elevator? I should look at that. Awesome Sink Terminal? I don't get it. Let's find out. I put it on here? No, it cannot be on there. Okay. Well, I guess you're gonna be here. Right. No. Right next to Awesome Shop. Fuck it. Why not? One vanilla awesome sink to empower it. Oh. Okay. Fluid small awesome sink. Ooh. For solids and fluids. How small is that? Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's amazing. I can make one vanilla awesome sink and power it. Okay. It just said power it. It didn't say I have to actually feed it, right? Yes. That is right. Okay. Oh, the terminal just so you can print your tickets and not have to go to the sink to print it. Okay. That's fair enough. What a small sink. Does that work too? It does. Even a small sink will work. That small sink is lovely. I love this thing. It's so convenient. Who came up with this? Ah, I love this idea. So much small. What is small? The water. What? Wait, how do you take liquids in? How do you take fluid? You just take fluids. Got it. Okay. That's weird as fuck, but I'm not complaining, I guess. Okay. That's different. But we got an awesome shop. We can buy stuff now. We can build stuff and buy stuff and buy stuff and build stuff. Good. Oof. What are we working on now? Vehicles. Elevator. What do I need for the elevator? Transport. Oh, should be good. Should be good. These all need steel. We're not there yet. Jump pad. I don't really care about jump pad. I've never used it before. It doesn't really. Doesn't do anything for me. We'll build this elevator or a power source because we're gonna be up and down that area a lot. So having a elevator is gonna be very convenient. Ooh, I'm getting tired, guys. Shit. Ooh, try not to yawn so much. No, I am getting tired. It's bedtime yet. It's getting there though. I think I might have calling it early. I think I'm gonna build this elevator. I think I'm gonna call it a night after that. I actually go to sleep on time tonight. That doesn't happen often. Alright, let's get this elevator on the way. And from there we Gucci. Cause we got our mod frames being done. We got power automated right now at 900 megawatts, which right now is good. We're going to have to expand eventually. Probably several times before we get the some kind of liquid power. Could not think of any word that I was trying to think of. It just wasn't working. Let's just find a corner here. I think this is the corner. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that no. Oh, that big fucker. Oh, give me 1 second. Alright, let me finish up building this elevator real quick. I've never built an elevator in this game, so I'm not sure how this is gonna work. But how does it know where to go? I have to add multiple elevators? I think so. More rotors. Fucking hell. Of course. No power. Let's see if we give it power, what would happen. Is it too far? Wait, I didn't see. Did I say too far? Wire's too long. Oh. Currently at 0. This is probably less than 100 meters, right? I actually don't know how high this is. That's probably less than 100. I think I gotta put another elevator down there. Which means I need 2 more rotors. I don't know how elevators work. I want to figure this out. Why do I get a mod for elevators when elevators are already a thing? Can you just get elevators sooner? Or is that a research thing in the MAM? Not the MAM, the sink. Maybe that could be the case. There we go. That should be good. I like how getting down here is so much quicker than going up. What is that? That pink thing. Something shiny over there. Why did I see that from so far? It's so far away. We'll get this elevator figured out, you guys. This is it. This will be my first time using an elevator in a factory. Yeah, I'd call it a factory. Fuck it. Close enough. Fuck. Might as well be one. My first time using an elevator, and that would make this whole fucking transport game down there so much easier. Once I remember where it's at. Like over here somewhere, I think. Maybe. Probably, possibly. There it is. Yeah, look at that. I like it. I like it. It's lovely. Perfect, actually. Go around the side so we can actually see. Nope. We can get a little closer. How do we connect them? Oh. Okay, so we did need 2. not full health. We will die. That's gonna kill us. All right. Let's get full health. There we go. Now we can survive. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Yeehaw. All right. No power. Of course not. So how do I make this? Ooh, you're too high. How do I bring this up? How do I do this? I need help. Who's familiar with what's going on here? Fuck, actually I gotta get rid of it, railings. Gotta rotate you. This way. Then we'll do no rails. Now how do I increase the roof? Do I need beams? Probably. This is what it would seem like. That's a big beam. Let's go with a slightly smaller beam. Huh. Stick. Organize. Foundation. Frames. That's a lot of scrolling. Shit. I don't know how to make my elevator higher though. I don't want to just keep stacking. Do I just keep stacking elevators on top of them? Is that what I have to do? Nope. Nope, that ain't it. That didn't work. How do I make my elevator higher? I have the elevator. How do I bring it up there? I refuse to believe that's 100 meters. Even if it is, like, let me go 100 meters so I can see what it looks like. Because this whole one block, or that's not 100 meters. That can't be. Two, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like 6 meters. 20? Yeah, that's way less than 100. That's less than 100 meters. How do I make this elevator go up that high? I'm thinking I need this beam, but how do I fucking make this beam? I was thinking I-beams and rails. Gotta be I-beam, right? But they're so fucking thick. This is the height. Maybe. Yeah, that's a thick ass beam. That's a really thick beam. That ain't it. Cliffside. Let's try maybe this. Ah, there we go. Ah, we gotta guess. All right, that's 100. Let's drop this down from 100 to about 48. I fucked it. Go back to 100. And then let's go down. 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 Sleep mode. Why are you in sleep mode? Left side, it's right there. Left side at 48. Alright, let's go back up 53, maybe? Alright. 64. No, 69. Should be perfect. Oh, too much sauce. Let's try 64 again. 64. Close. Let's try 60. I think that might be perfect. Perfect. Then we can actually go through and complete this one. And then boom, you can go here. Boom. Right where we need you. Perfect. Alright, my water should be 10. Oof. You do negatives. No. Okay. What we can do instead, go down there and make another one at water level. Now we know how to do it. Ouch. That's right, right? Yeah, okay. So you are going to be water level. I think it was 60. So 8's not enough. Let's go with 12. And then it's gonna be like, I think plus 60. 12's not enough. 14. Uh, 15, 16. Then plus another 60, which is 76. Coal plant. Boom. And right there where I need you. Cliffside. Yeah. We have an elevator, folks. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a proud moment. This is a proud moment. What up, Romo? We have a fucking elevator, yo. Oh my goodness. So now, as I go through my water, I can go and fix stuff, add stuff, not to worry about jumping in the pool and jumping out and all that extra shit. We can ride the fucking elevator up and down this cliff. Yo. Oh goodness. That is lovely. I love it. Oh, I love this so much. This is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. Yeah, I'm actually about to hop off here in a minute. I was saying I was gonna hop off as soon as I finish my elevator, and I just finished my elevator. And well, sleep when you're not on it. On PC, different PlayStation. Really? I wonder how different it is. Well, it's probably different because I'm using a mod for my elevator. Now I have my other game mode. I have the elevator unlocked. I just don't use it because I've found different ways to not need it. I've done so far without needing it. I don't need one. It's enclosed. Really? I mean, I could enclose this. I could enclose this. Now, if it was the actual elevator to unlock, it probably is enclosed. But this one's a mod. But I got my power plant set up. So this is my power plant. I got 12 generators going. Running off of 6 water thingies. I'm building for the future. So that's why. I know it's not efficient, the most efficient. But I got set up 3 normal modes, pumping out 4 there, 4 there, and then the last 4 is running off of 1 node. My power's pretty. This portion of it is perfectly steady at 900 megawatts. Now I could add 4 more because there's I think 2 more nodes in this area. Actually, let's not guess. That's temporary. There's 1 node. I thought it was another node. Maybe there's just 1 more node in this area. I thought there was 1 over here too. 1 over here. There's 1 like way up here. There's 2 up here. 1 normal, 1 pure. Bridges. But yeah, there's another node here, so I can add essentially 4 more. For a total of 16, which will give me an extra 300 megawatts. So I could be at 1200 megawatts of power. Which is more than enough. Way more than enough. We are still early game. We're on phase 2. We're still on phase 2. I plan on doing that maybe once I get vehicles. Once I get vehicle transport, then I might go through that extra hurdle. As of right now, yeah. Our capacity is 1260 because we still got the biofuel going, but it's really 900, which is our production. This is assuming we max out our biofuel, which we probably likely won't. I might disconnect that and delete all that just for parts. I love this elevator. Oh, it got some cute elevator music. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect. It's like, even if I get off of it, like send it and go. I get back to it. says move the player, but how do I get it to move to me? I gotta hit down? Oh. So I could just send it. I can just send it. Oh, that's lovely. That's fucking lovely. Oh my goodness. No, I'm in love. How close do I have to be? Okay, so either close or looking at it, maybe? Okay. Let's see how close I gotta be. Eh. This close. So about this close. So the next block over. So if I'm one block away, it'll fucking send where I need to send. Oh, next block. That's cool. Kinda bad if I got stuck with no way to get on the elevator. Yeah, that's why I had to chest it to make sure that wouldn't happen. This is fucking dope. I love this. And I got another factory on top of it. Oh my goodness, this would be so beneficial for my fucking turbo fuel plant. Because climbing up and down that bitch is, it's asinine. Yeah, I have some ideas for this world. I'm working with Taco to turn this into an actual server. That way Crisis can play when I'm not on and vice versa, and he can also upgrade and do shit too. So I want to turn this into an actual server. So I need Taco to quit bullshitting, hop in the stream, and help me out here. He'll be here eventually. One of these days. I can't play Satisfactory too many times before he hops on. He might go through and watch the VOD to see what I'm doing. But yeah, no, this elevator, I'm geeked to fuck up right now. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm way too excited for this than I should be. This is my first elevator. I might turn this into an actual like functioning factory now that I have an elevator. I might like enclose it, put some reinforcement in it. It's like I have fucking I have frames and shit. I could frame it in. That's easy. And then even with oh no, I don't have one. The don't have no screws. But yeah, I have everything I need. I absolutely have everything I need. Why doesn't it work? Really? That's weird. But I have everything I need to go ahead and make it pretty. I can make it pretty. Now, I've said before, I've seen some YouTubers, they make their shit beautiful, like actual fucking factories. I don't know if I'm gonna go that far, because that all requires a lot of patience and skill, one of which I do lack, which is the skill aspect. I don't have that vision, not even gonna lie. But I can make it as close to an actual factory as I can. Likely no walls, likely no roof, but you know, I do what I can. Walls. No, doors. I've seen doors in here somewhere. Where the fuck did I see doors? I must be tripping. I could have sworn I saw doors in here somewhere. Ah, door walls, duh. I got the doors or gates. So either of these can work for the elevator. I think with the distance, I think the doors will probably work best. For this factory, Minecraft's about the closest I've gotten to making stuff like that. No, but for real. I do eventually want to start getting to the point where I start getting in the habit of making actual factories. I know some people that are like, oh, I need this material. Let's go ahead and automate it. 90% of the people I watch will go ahead and just automate it, but there's that nice little percentage that will like, all right, let's automate it, but let's also make it to a building, and let's also make it look realistic. I'm talking about glass ceiling, windows, accents, a drive-through for the fucking trucks, parking spots, the whole nine. They put the road down. They have blueprints for the roads, lining and markings for the road. Like, yeah, they get really into it. One day, I'm gonna get to that point where I'm on that level. A lot of it's come from my ability to utilize blueprints, because a lot of it's blueprints, honestly. Blueprints, taking advantage of the awesome shop, because you can find a lot of stuff, like, you know, catwalks, junctions, a catwalk lift. I didn't know that was a thing. Actually, I just learning about that as we speak. A personnel elevator, which is what I've kind of modded in there. But yeah. So yeah, no, there's people who actually do make actual factories, and I envy them 1,000-fold, because I will get to that level one day eventually. But in the meantime, it is my bedtime, so I am about to call it a night from here. Let me save this game. Boom. Saved. And from here, I'm about to call it a night. I'm tired and I really gotta pee. So the mega factories I've seen, it's like, bro, are you damn engineering, architecture, industry? No, but for real though, like I swear, yeah, there definitely gotta be some engineers, some shit. But I'm gonna call it a night from here. Won't be on tomorrow. I won't be back on until Tuesday. Tuesday, Battle Pass challenges reset for Battlefield, so I will be on Battlefield Tuesday. I gotta hit that grind hard. I gotta finish this Battle Pass in order for me to be able to sleep at night. So yeah, that's my objective. But with all that being said, you guys, I'm gonna call it a night. So as always, y'all, stay frosty, stay breezy, love, peace, bacon grease, all that extra shit. I'm gonna see you like a donut. Don't screw up.